guys, welcome back to another week. I'm like so sick. I really don't know like 100% what it is. Obviously you can probably tell I don't feel great. It is sort of getting COVID, so I'm going to pick up a COVID test right now from Walgreens and going to pick up dinner from Zaxby's. I wanted to have the Mr. Beast box. The worst part is I don't have a mask, so I feel bad. But I'm literally gonna run in Walgreens, get what I need, and leave. Also, I'm wearing the shirt I get in New York. I love it so much. I really do not want to go do this. Okay, moment of truth. I don't want to use them forever. Oh, look. Hit the... Oh, that was horrible. Okay, I wasn't that bad. I'm being dramatic. 1, 2... You guys. You're looking at the proud new owner of COVID. Shout out to the people on the airplane that were coughing all over me and the girlies. On another note, I ate half of my Mr. Beast box. I'm gonna put it back in the fridge. Good morning. Uh-oh, hold on. Slept pretty well. I have been waking up at like 7, take my medicine, go back to sleep. That did not happen today because I didn't wake up until 9. So I'm about to take my medicine. As far as the update, I don't know, not much has changed. I'm coughing a little more, but other than that, not much has changed. I'm waiting for my doctor to message me back. Is I have a trip planned next week, so well, that's not gonna happen. And I'm really sad. I was going to see my grandma, so yeah. Got Real Housewives of New Jersey on all the books with me. Get out of a book slump. I am 5 chapters into Before We Were Innocent, which I've been wanting to read forever, and I only have about 4 more days, so I really want to finish this one first. I have these 2 that I got at the library a couple weeks ago that I've renewed, and I'm about a quarter into Atomic Habits. I really like it. I can't believe it took me so long to read it. You guys can hear me. My time on here is wrong. It's 1 o'clock. I just ordered some stuff off of Target. Anyway, I don't feel great. My chest hurts. Hello, I'm still in my pajamas. 3:30. I just realized you probably can't hear me, but it's 3:30. My Target order is ready for pickup, but I think I'm gonna go a little bit later. Although I probably should go now because it's probably not as busy. I called my doctor's office and I have an appointment in the morning. Turns out my doctor was out of town, so that's why I had not heard anything back. Thank goodness I called because it was weird to not have a reply. She usually replies super fast. And my chest is still hurting and I'm still not feeling good. Obviously, I think I'm gonna go lay down and read some more. I really want to finish my Atomic Habits book tonight. And I should be reading like something fun and summary, but I want to finish that and read this Riley Sager book.
It was like, or I don't know if it was Joe or Chantal, they were like, you're not a flaky person for framing it for me like that. That's so...
Still here. Still in the same pajamas. I'm gonna get up in probably like 30 minutes maybe and go shower and then go grab my stuff from Target. I think I definitely look as bad as I feel. I'm not feeling great. My like neck is super itchy. That happened so quick. I forgot I was filming. I did indeed have to go do a Target pickup that I put off and put off and put off, and it finally came. I feel horrible. What's in the door from the TikTok, so you guys aren't seeing the like live reaction, but I just unboxed my Nespresso thing. My Nespresso order. I ordered some pods to try, and I don't even want to unbox these. Look how gorgeous this packaging is on their Pantone collab. I have a feeling I'm really gonna like her. It is a double espresso. So I got the iced Leggero. I don't know how to say it. It's basically just a double shot. For a Target haul, hours. So I'm gonna make some of this stuff, but I just got some bread, 2 Gatorades, 1 soup. I don't know if I want a grilled cheese in the soup or if I want some chicken nuggets. Best fries in the world. Grilled chicken nuggets, gluten-free chicken nuggets, and bananas. So, big day. Hi, I realized I haven't vlogged all day today. Can hear more, still can't hear great. Sat on the porch for like an hour. I did my AA meeting out there, it's very nice. Eaten some, went to the doctor today, got my prescriptions. Feeling the best I've felt in the past few days, still feel horrible. That's about it. Hi, it's like now almost 11 o'clock. I'm about to take my nighttime meds, and if you were wondering, I'm still in my reading slump. I just saw someone say that just for the summer got them out of their reading slump. But that has not been the case for me. I was gonna say I never thought Monk would make me cry, but Monk most definitely has made me cry already, so this movie was so good. Okay, I had to do a bunch of like work stuff, not work, like work stuff, but like paperwork. Once again, I am making chicken nuggets and some hash browns. About to put literally all of the electronics up, except for my TV. And after I eat, I'm going to read this. I'm sort of getting into it. On page like 20 something. Today I'm feeling like stable. I woke up at 6, went to the restroom, came and ate a snack just so my sugars wouldn't bottom out. Went back to bed, and then got out of bed at like 11. So yeah. It is now obviously 2. My plan is to just at least read this book today. I'm really excited. I can tell it's gonna be good.
This is so immature. I don't have time for people going around. You can't wait to film the rest of it. You all summer, guys, just be there for Hannah. You guys actually. I saw it. I can't see the lights. Okay, guys. Okay. Sorry. Are you working? I can't understand if I call the yellow ghost. Where are you at? Let's do. I'm not gonna sit here and take blame for something I do. I don't have any other. What are you doing? Keep going. I got it.
Good morning. It is now, I don't even know what day it is, but today is the last day of quarantine. Finally free. Still have to wear a mask and everything when I go out, but overall, I can't believe how much I feel better. Thanks to the help of my emotional support animal, Miss Willow. I was so tired and like ready to go to bed last night. Like so early, like literally like 9 o'clock, I started getting ready for bed. And then this thing happened called, I got sucked into my book, my hair, oh my gosh. Anyway, here's this book. So good. I just love Annabelle's writing. All of her books, this is her 3rd one, are amazing. Each is so different from the last, but I really liked this one. I think still Nora Goes Off Script is probably my favorite. Summer Romance just came out about a month ago, probably sometime in June. I think like June 4th or something. And it's so good. I love her books for many reasons. They're obviously romances. And they're typically about women in their 30s, which I love. It's not about some young couple meeting and falling in love. It's about like people who have been dealt like all this stuff, have this chance and meet somebody. And this one was really fun, and I can't recommend it enough. I was supposed to go see her speak at a bookstore in Atlanta, or I think it was in Woodstock, but I wasn't feeling great, so I did not go. But I hope next year, her next book, I get to go see her speak. I'm sure she'll be back in the Atlanta area. Starting a Mary Kay Andrews audiobook today. Let me check and see what the name of it is. Records. My mom got this book like a few years ago. It was before I was a really big book girly. She went to Mary Kay signing when I lived in Amelia Island. Oh, I miss that place so much. But anyway, what was I gonna say? So I've had the book before, but I haven't read it. So I'm gonna listen to that, and then I think I'm gonna finish up Atomic Habits, and I'm going to try to start on, what's it called? I think I'm gonna try to restart Funny Story. I just love Emily Henry's books, and I'm so excited because she just announced that she got a Netflix deal to make Happy Place a series. So I'm very excited for that. I'm gonna make a TikTok about this, but I did want to talk about my experience taking, please ignore I have an entire bin of laundry on my guest bed. But I did want to talk about taking paxlovid because I didn't make a TikTok. I looked on TikTok because I couldn't find anything, and everyone was like, oh my God, don't take it. Your mouth tastes like garbage, like da 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 da. And to these people, well, I guess they've never been like sick or have had any illness before, because it literally just takes like it's just a metallic taste. It's not that big of a deal. So I'm glad I found like one video that was like, it's not that big of a deal. Like, everyone's being dramatic. Taking my Paxlovid. I'm feeling much better. Obviously, you can still hear, I still have a little congestion. My throat's a little like scratchy / dry. And I mean, I'm sure I'll be coughing for a while, but my chest feels significantly better. I have to say, I think it is because of the Paxlovid. I also had taken antibiotics before I went to the doctor, and I had been taking, like, interchanging, like, Sudafeds and cough medicine and Allegra. So, yeah, those are my tips. I have like half of a caramel protein shake off. Slay.
But in an ideal world,
I love watching this girl's vlogs. Like, I don't know, I just like, you're living my dream like OC life. I feel like one era of me is bound to live in like Laguna Beach or something, but who knows, time will tell. I still can't really hear. I know my hair looks crazy. I know I look crazy. Everything looks crazy. We're back on the G7X because, unfortunately, this did let me down in New York. It cut out a bunch of footage. Luckily, I filmed most on my phone. But anyway, all this to say is, look what I'm doing. I'm re-signing my lease right now. I can't really show you anything, so I'm really sorry. This is so crazy. This is the first place ever I've ever re-signed my lease. I'm going to be here until March. It's so weird because I have no clue what my life is going to look like then. I'm just doing my best, doing everything I need to prep for it, and then we'll see. Like, it's not even like I'm confused, like what's gonna happen. It's like I don't know what's gonna happen. Everything's out of my control. All I know is that I'm taking a class in like a month and a half, starting classes again, and then when I finish, I have no clue. You know what I do know? I do know I have a trip in February that I am very excited for. So I do know that. But yeah, it's so weird. So weird. I'm literally going to turn into a chicken nugget after this week. My meal plan has literally been chicken nuggets and sweet potato fries and then tomato soup and grilled cheeses. Also lots of yogurt and cereal. I'm ready for my ears not to be clogged because they're still clogged at the moment and it's so annoying. Okay guys, I just finished getting ready for work. It's just like everything takes a lot of energy, obviously, like I have COVID. But today, last day, I'm wearing something very loose. I'm already sweating. I'm wearing my work shoes, these linen pants that I got when I worked at Pearl. And I'm wearing this because I just want something like oversized. I'm probably gonna pull my hair back before I even get there because I'm gonna be wearing a mask, so I'm gonna be like sweating OT. OT equals overtime. So yeah. It's only a few hours, so it shouldn't be too bad. Hi guys, I just got home from work. We're pretty okay. Still can't hear. They have so many people being like, what's wrong with you? Are you sick? What's wrong? Okay, I don't remember everyone asking me that in 2020, but leave me alone. Mind your business. No. That's my karma for being mean. Anyway, it didn't deter them from shopping with me or like talking to me, so like obviously I'm sick, okay? Also they're filming something very important right beside where I work, so I'll try to keep that calm and carry on. It just it's always so fun. I love like seeing places and being like, oh, like this was shot here. Like they film a lot of films in my hometown, not a lot, but they've done a few, and to watch them back and be like, oh wait, I know where that is. It's just so fun. So I can't wait to watch this movie and be like, oh, like I know where this was shot. So anyway, I have my nice little drink. I just filmed a bunch of TikToks because I've been off my TikTok ride. What was I gonna try? Oh, you guys, I fear I found the sunglasses of the summer. Positioning. Look at these sunglasses. $12. Oh my gosh, they are stunning. Like I'm not gonna shut up about these guys. Yeah, I will say I think the biggest thing that I'm noticing is it's just like my energy's still so down and like the fatigue just feel very like hazy a little bit still, so which is normal. But anyway, all of this to say, I think I'm gonna end it here. It's just gonna be boring me working the rest of the weekend. But I will pick it up next week because it's July 4th and I'm really sad. I was supposed to go to Dallas to see my grandmother. Like I might have mentioned, I don't know, I cut out a bunch because there was literally like, if I put all the raw footage together, it probably was 40 minutes of me just yapping. But I will start a new vlog on Sunday or Monday because I think I'm gonna be going to the lake. So that'll be fun, July 4th. And yeah, that's basically it. Okay, love you guys.